Hi there, Eric Bakker. Thanks for coming back. A question I get asked at times is, I've got a skin rash, or can a skin rash be caused by a Candida cleanse? Yes, it can. Skin rashes are actually quite common with people who go through many different types of cleanses or detoxes. It's not unusual. When you think about it, it's basic house cleaning. The body has got lots of junk in it. It needs to come out, and a great way for the body to express a symptom is on the skin. So when your immune system upregulates, especially if you're taking things like vitamin C or antioxidants or different types of herbs that help to clean the liver out or different parts of the body, the immune system is going to be working overtime. And that also means that it's going to be mopping up a lot of crap in the body. Crap, for example, like yeasts or bacteria that will release their own toxins or chemicals. And the crap also comes from the immune system's involvement with yeasts and bacteria, and other associated potential pathogens. So as the immune system starts ramping up its response, the skin can become more uncomfortable and more itchy. And you will notice, for example, I often will get a pen and I'll draw a bell curve for someone on a piece of paper, saying you could be anywhere on this bell curve. You could be going up, you could be up the top, or you could be on the way down. But when a skin condition pops up with treatment, don't despair, because in most cases, within several days, the skin condition will calm right down. When you do get a flare, especially a bad flare with the Candida cleanse, you may want to temporarily stop treatment to allow the skin to back off before you proceed again. That's a clever idea. Some people actually increase treatment thinking that they're going to push it through, and then they get a worse skin problem. So my recommendation is to back off, let things calm down, resume again, and play it by ear. Intelligence is quite a good commodity when it comes to doing a Candida cleanse. Thanks for tuning in.